This is exercise 3-4-11, where we're asked to perform the indicated calculation, and we can see we have a combination divided by another combination. Now we want to remember the general rule for combinations. We take n factorial and we divide by the product of n minus r factorial times r factorial. So for instance, in the numerator of this fraction, we have n is 7 and r . So we'll have n factorial, 11 factorial, divided by 11 minus 4 factorial, which would be 11 minus 4 or 7 factorial, times 4 factorial. Now I'll start with the numerator. A factorial is, for instance, 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 1. Times 3 times 2 times 1, I should say. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, and 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is just the numerator portion of this example. So let's cancel what can be canceled. We've got the 1 over 1, the 2 over 2, the 3 over 3, the 4 over 4. 3 times 2 is 6 over 6, so we're left basically in the numerator with just the number 35. In the denominator, we have 11 factorial on top. That's 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, and so on. I'm going to stop at 7 and so on, which means 7 factorial, because in the bottom I have a 7 factorial, and those 7 factorials will cancel. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 2 goes into 8 4 times. I'm just reducing. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 4 goes into 4 1 time. So what we have is still on top 35, and on bottom the only thing left was 11 times 10 times 3, which was 330. If we reduce that answer, both 35 and 330 are divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 330 divided by 5 is 66. So 7 combinations of 4 divided by 11 combinations of 4 is equivalent to 7 over 66.